gonna use this. And I just smash them. And then I just poke a little hole through them with my finger. Just poke a little hole through it. Like that. And make sure you wash your hands. And then the grease should be hot enough. Put it in there and turn it down a little. And then just, I should have had them already ready with the hose. I forgot they cook real fast. Smash it. Ah, damn, why is it sticking to my hand? My hand dry. Maybe you should wet your hand a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, you want to wet your hands like just rinse your hands off and dry them just a little bit so they won't be sticking. And just stick the little hole in there like that. Y'all know how to put it in the hole, right? Let's see. It's hot enough. Yeah, it's hot. Drop it in there. Make sure you don't smash it too hard. I think I smashed these a little bit. Too rough. Look at that one. I would try, if you're going to make them, I would try the little biscuit. Because these got like some kind of flavor in them. These big biscuits. And just depend on you how brown you want them. But not that brown. Burnt. Turn it over, let it get brown. Show your hand a little down. Turn it up a little bit more. Put it on medium. You gotta play with the heat. No more, I got. You don't need that much grease either. You only want enough grease where it'll float. Where they'll float. And just drain it. Or put on a paper towel, let it dry. I like mine's kind of like a little bit overdone. So those would be my two. Then I printed out a little recipe for the icing. This one I got a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk or water if you want a lighter glaze, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extra. And then it's in a medium mixing bowl, whisk together powder, sugar, milk, and vanilla until smooth. If it's too thick, add a few more drops of milk at a time until you get a smooth, pourable consistency. Dip warm donut, not hot, into the glaze. Flip to coat both sides if you like. Then place them on a wire rack and let the glaze set for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's like the recipe. And then like if you want to make like chocolate, you want to get some cocoa. Or if you want strawberry, you want to get some strawberry jam or prune. And just do the same thing. Yeah, for the chocolate and strawberry. And just do the same thing. Add the cocoa to it and add the strawberry to it. Okay. Or you can add some sugar and cinnamon if you want one of the donuts to be sugar and cinnamon. What I'm gonna do, I'll put a sugar in here. I got this from the Dollar Tree, so we'll see how good it is. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Got this from the Dollar Tree. Okay, half a cup, right? Half a cup of powdered sugar. Okay, half a cup. I think it was at a cup. Oh God, that's a 2/5 cup, 2/3. Okay, then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extra, half a teaspoon. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. 1, 2. And then in a medium bowl, whisk it together. Powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla until smooth. If it's too thick, add more milk. No, we don't need no. It's not thick. Add a little more sugar because I did add. I'm gonna add a little more sugar. Then to me, I don't want it that thick. I don't want it like water. Just dip it in. Dip it in. That's it.
That's too much.
I think that's too much. No, it's mine.
Oh.
I want a lot of sugar. Yeah, it's still sour.
Mm-hmm. And then get the shifter thing. Pour a little sugar, brown, little powdered sugar in it, and just tap it over the.
That's it. If you want some strawberry, you can add jelly or jam. If you want some chocolate, you add cocoa.